Hi, this is a short video for anybody that's new to Windows 10 computers. What we're going to look at today is how to turn the computer on and off, how to shut the computer down, and what the sleep option does. So in order to get there, we're going to move our mouse pointer down to the bottom left-hand corner of our screen, down to the Start option. We're going to click the left mouse button once with our index finger. That is a left click. So when you get there, the menu will open up and you're going to want to move your mouse pointer up slightly till it's touching the power button. And click on that once with your index finger. You're going to get three options: restart, shutdown, and sleep. Shutdown is pretty self-explanatory. It's going to shut down the computer. Restart is going to shut down the computer and then restart the computer and bring you back to your desktop or your logon screen. You'll get the logon screen if you have a password enabled. If you do not have a password enabled, you're going to go right directly back to your desktop after it restarts. The sleep mode, think of that like a standby power saving mode. Really, you don't need to think too much more than that. This is what you're going to use when you turn your computer off at nighttime. This allows the computer to stay running so that it can take the Windows updates late in the evening and your antivirus updates late in the evening and that kind of stuff, so it doesn't disturb you during the day when you're using your computer. So really, that's it. Play around with it. There's nothing to break here. Have some fun, and I hope to see you in our next video.